He was touching me, rubbing my hand, my arm, and then went up. He then asked me if he could continue, and I said no. He repeated a couple of times, and I said no. I can't believe I've got into this situation. He shouldn't be touching me. God, he shouldn't even be in my room.
Rivka has struggled with her mental health since her teens. Those were her own words from a diary she kept, detailing a sexual assault on her in a hospital ward by a member of staff.
He said to me he wasn't going to leave until I stopped crying. He told me I am not allowed to tell anyone. He kept saying, I've got a wife and 2 kids. I can't lose this job. And that was really what made me realise how bad this was.
Rivka's attacker was convicted and jailed. In a statement, North London Mental Health Partnership told Sky News, "We are deeply sorry for what happened to Miss Grant while she was under our care in 2016. We have since strengthened all aspects of our safeguarding processes, including ensuring that service users under one-to-one observation are always assigned a member of staff of the same sex." A successful conviction for a sexual assault on a mental health patient is extremely rare. Many attacks are never reported to the police, and patients are not always believed.
My real emphasis is on a proper registration of workers, a proper complaint system, training people to recognise the signs, and then at the top end, real notice taken by the police in any complaint of this kind coming out of a mental health hospital, which in itself would send a big message down.
A joint investigation by Sky News and The Independent has uncovered 20,000 complaints of sexual assaults in mental health trusts across England since 2019. Have you been surprised by the scale of the abuse?
I'm not surprised at all. I believe there is so much going on that is not reported, not listened to. I was able to tell my story. I was able to get it out there. But if I'd been unable to do that, it would have just been shoved under the carpet like many others.
Ashish Joshi, Sky News.